Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to install a new font on your Mac computer. So here I have my Mac running macOS Tahoe, and let's get started. The first thing you need to do is make sure you haven't already installed the font. So go to Spotlight Search and search for Font Book and search for the specific font you want to install. Just check if it is already there. So in my case, I want to install Akira Expanded. So I'll search for it, and as you can see, it's not installed yet. Next, go to Safari app and visit the website thefont.com, which is one of the most popular websites to download fonts. So use search bar and type for the name of the font you want to download. Here it is, Akira Expanded. So just tap download. Once it is downloaded, open your download folder and look for the file with the .otf extension. So that's the font file. Just double click and you will see a preview of the font you're installing. Now what you need to do is just click install. So that's it. The font is now installed on your Mac. If I search for Akira Expanded again in Font Book, you can see it's right here. And if I open any app like Keynote, I can select the font and start using it immediately. The same font will also appear in other apps that support font changes. If for some reason the font doesn't show up right away, just restart your Mac and it should appear. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you in the next one.